My girlfriend catch me kissing her sister. Now she's boiling hot water. Should I wait for tea?
Jesus! Between your phone and your relationship, which one are you afraid of losing?
Excuse me, sir. Please, can you explain the difference between complete and finish?
When you marry the right woman, you are complete. When you marry the wrong woman, you are finished. But when the right woman catch you with the wrong woman, you are completely finished.
Hello?
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, idiot. I mean, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Ida. Ida, good afternoon. You're very beautiful. How are you? Chocolate, my darling. Hello.
God have mercy upon us.
Ida.
Mama, game over.
Do you know you're getting old? You should get married.
So will marriage stop me from getting old?
Tranquila que...
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Потому что,
Jesus Christ.
Babe, maybe it's my mom that asked me to call you. You know our house rent is due, and the landlord is on our neck. It's 1.5 million naira, and even the bag of rice has finished. We still want more. Baby, you know I cannot cheat on you now. I can't.
Baby, no worry. Cheat on me this time. I will understand. Okay? Cheat on me, no worry.